How's it going? Today we are going to talk about my little Craftsman box. We're going to look through all the drawers, see some of the tools I've accrued over the past year and a half, and basically give it its last hurrah before it leaves. Because I do plan on getting a larger tool chest to hold some of the additional tools that I'm going to be needing to further my career and further my hobbies, and I just need more tools. So we are going to give it a little look over and talk about it. I always find it really interesting to see how technicians organize their tools personally. I find that no two technicians organize their tools in the same way. So it's always interesting to see where people put what in their toolbox. It's just some interesting perspective, in my opinion. Oh, this is the top drawer. I just have miscellaneous stuff like measuring tapes, scissors, rulers. I keep my screwdrivers up here, extensions and other drive tools. And I've just got scrapers and then other miscellaneous stuff like just pieces of wire for jumper leads, and then UV flashlight, fuse puller, some nail polish for marking stuff off. Then I have my little Harbor Freight side tray, just 1/4 inch driver and bit driver. And then my first drawer is going to be all my sockets. So it's not like the most impressive socket collection. On the left are all my ratchets. Got some big sockets. 6-point metric, even though some of them are mixed up. And then I have my 1/4 inch drives back here. Another great reason as to why this toolbox needed to go. Reach all the way back there, and that's severely annoying. Finger ratchets, I hate them. And then the next drawer down are just all my wrenches. They're actually, I guess now that I realize that they're all combination wrenches. I have some ratcheting wrenches, which I keep over here. They're kind of separated, standard and metric. Next, one of my more favoriter drawers is my pliers and all that good stuff. Adjustable. These are great. These are from Home Depot, Milwaukee locking pliers. Again, Home Depot. These needle nose have been pretty amazing. Got some snap-on in here, my wire strippers. Dykes regular pliers, more wire strippers, and just a bunch of pliers. Probably one of my favorite drawers, which is weird to say out loud. Now, ironically, there's more pliers in here, but there's no room up here. But anyway, so I'm another Home Depot buy, and these are actually amazing. My channel lock snap ring pliers. These things were able to take out some pretty large, I think about 3-inch snap rings that hold giant rear wheel bearings in. Yeah, they did really well. They're about $30, and they come with different things. Anyway, I've got trim pieces. This is kind of like my more automotive specialty drawer. Got clip removers, more panel pieces. I got hose pliers, side terminal ratchet, I guess. And then just have some wheel lock keys, spark plug sockets, oxygen sensor socket. And this is what I kind of refer to as used to be my hammer drawer, but now it's kind of my heavy duty drawer. I have like a couple, well not really a couple, pretty much this and my straight die grinder. Power tools in here. I have my files. I hate this set. These punches. I also hate this set. Just C-clamps. Different kinds of pry bars. Hammers. This one needs to go back to work. Mallets. Just everything for banging, prying, grinding, chiseling, and yeah, that kind of stuff, Now, the more interesting of all drawers is kind of like even more specialty tools. And what I mean by that is maybe not necessarily like just simply automotive related. They all are automotive, but for more, I guess you could say diagnostic tools. So we have like spark tester, radiator fin straightener, never used that. A couple seal pullers, I use the crap out of that. Belt tension gauge, infrared thermometer, a pack of like test leads, the gem of the whole drawer, my multimeter, just some other miscellaneous stuff. I have this. This is like a little rubber pad that you use to like open jar lids with, and it's really good if you need like extra traction on grabbing like, you know, a pry bar or a screwdriver or something. It's kind of weird, but works pretty well. And then I have like digital calipers. I don't think this one's digital, but yeah, calipers and then just miscellaneous fittings. And then over here is kind of like my little drilling section. And I have basically precision knives. So this is kind of a fun drawer. It's all kind of miscellaneous stuff, but alright. And then one of the more fun drawers is basically my power tool drawer. I just have like my impacts, battery packs, electric screwdriver, you know, a light, heat gun, soldering iron, Dremel, drill. That's about it, yeah. Okay, so some of those drawers are, well, have a little growing room, but this is where all my other stuff is. I have like I call my PPE bag, all my safety equipment and safety glasses, earmuffs, stuff like that. And then below it, I have some other even more miscellaneous parts. A vacuum pump, I have plastic welder and seal drivers, and some other miscellaneous stuff that I would really like to be all in one. So what's going to happen is mid-March, I have a coupon for a tool chest, a 44-inch Harbor Freight one, and I'm going to give it a shot and see if I like it.